Hey guys, I'm Shane from Pedlers Dent Repair. I'd like to introduce you to our new YouTube channel called Pedlers. This channel is designed to showcase the full range of our skill set, everything from full panel paint repairs, bumper repairs, plastic welding, advanced paintless dent removal, MPDR and more. Our aim is to make this channel entertaining with more interest pieces and regular uploads. I appreciate your support and I look forward to your feedback. Guys, check it out, Pedlers. Enjoy.